spilling the tea on all the products that I use on a daily basis so that you don't miss out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for showing all that love to my channel and my videos. I love coming out here and sharing my views and my thoughts and my experiences. The YouTube community is so supportive. I love it. If you also have dry skin like me, you can totally copy and paste this so that you are achieving that glass skin. I know it's a little odd, but I will be starting with my PM routine first because that's my favorite routine. I don't think anyone should be sleeping on double cleansing because it was game changer for me. Just like now I'm wearing makeup or when I'm wearing sunscreen on a regular day, oil cleanser ensures that every little gunk and every little blackhead is out of my face. Now I'm not saying my face is perfect and it's clear and it has no impurities at all I'm saying is that an oil cleanser helps me clear out every single thing without much efforts, because if I use only a micellar water or just a cleanser to wash my makeup off, it's not gonna work as well. This is the Manios Pure Cleansing Oil. I find that this is a tad bit fragranted and it has a little smell. You can see by the way this looks, this has been through a lot. Now I know this went viral back in 2023 or 24, but this is still my favorite and I don't think anything works just as well as this. But I don't know what it is that's working out for me. It just makes my skin feel so clean and soft and just supple. I love it. I totally love it. This is so worth it. Now this is totally subjective. You can skip this or use this. I had this post-inflammatory erythema, also known as PI. So when you have that, you get these red bumps on your face which have significantly faded away, by the way. And when you get those bumps, it's like you have acne but you don't really have acne because those are so small and tiny, nearly invisible to the naked eye. This duo by Arencia literally saved my life because you can see I'm almost done with this, and even this, it's almost gone. Let me tell you, if you use this, your marks will be gone, literally vanished. You wouldn't even know what happened. You wouldn't even know if something was there. Another product that I thought was magic. Now, I'm not saying that it's magic of all this science behind everything, but it literally worked like magic. This is the Noni Ampule by Celimax. Now, Celimax is such an underrated Korean skincare brand, let me tell you. I don't know why not a lot of people speak about this, but this serum alone has saved my skin so many times, has calmed my skin so many times. I just love this. I don't know if it's this panthenol speaking, but I feel that panthenol works really well for dry skin types because I also use this, and this is also a panthenol cream, and this is my favorite moisturizer ever, and it's done like literally nothing is coming out. Nothing. Then my PM routine ends when I use either one of these moisturizers, and this is over, so I'm switching to this one. And surprisingly, this also has panthenol. When I wake up in the morning, I don't really use a cleanser for my AM routine because you're not supposed to use a cleanser in the AM routine if you're double cleansing in the night. You're just putting your skin through a lot. If you do that, I suggest stop doing that immediately unless advised by your dermat. Otherwise, don't do that. Don't follow skincare influencers who've told you to do that, please. So my second step in the morning is usually toners. Now you can say that this is a dupe for the Rhode Milky Toner because of the packaging. I've never really tried it, so I don't know. I just say it because of the way that they've packaged it and the color scheme of it. No other reason. But this is made especially for sensitive, dry skin, and it's gone. I'm telling you, Celimax is a very underrated brand. You need to try their products. Again, not sponsored, never paid by them, nothing at all. This is just my pure experience and my pure love for the brand and its products. Now again, for people who have post-inflammatory erythema, you should use a good mineral sunscreen. But the thing with mineral sunscreen is that it can always leave a white cast. And I don't really trust any brand except for Korean brands, and they are very famous for leaving a white cast. So I switched to a tinted sunscreen, which is of course mineral. This is the new launch by Beauty of Joseon. It's a fairly new launch. This is a tinted sunscreen. It is literally second skin to me. I will show you. Wait, I can prove it to you. It's true. See, felt like I applied some sort of serum, and it is so good that I don't really have to wear a foundation on a daily basis. I can just throw this on and just look amazing the whole day while people think that's my real skin. So this was my secret. The other products that you can see are some of my hair products and my body products. And that was all for today's video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and maybe comment down below what you want to see next. Bye.